In this lesson, we will understand what is an enum in C language. We will understand its purpose and how to create it in C language with an example. Let us start. Enum is a user-defined data type in C language. Enum is short for enumeration in C. We will first see what is enum, how to create an enum, how to create an enum variable. With that, we will also assign a value to an enum variable. We will also run an example. Let us start. Enum in C consists of a set of named integer constants. It is used to assign names to the integral constants, which makes the code more readable and maintainable. That is, use enums to name constants. The enum keyword is used in C to create an enum. Here is the syntax. You can relate the syntax with structures and unions also. Write the keyword enum. After that, the name of the enum. And in curly braces, you need to mention the enum items separated by comma. And in the end, you need to close the braces with a semicolon. Let us see how to create an enum. So let's say our enum name is directions and the enum items are north, south, east, west. Just write the keyword enum. After that, the name of the enum, that is directions here. And within curly braces, mention the enum items separated by comma. In this case, the enum items are 4, north, south, east and west. Okay, so this is how you can create an enum. We will run an example later. Let us see how to create an enum variable. To create, you need to mention the keyword enum, then the name of the enum, after that the enum variable. Here we have shown only a single variable d1. So this is how you can create a variable in enum. Let us see how to assign a value to the enum variable. You can begin the assignment with the value 0, and this is also the default. It increases by 1 for each subsequent enumerator. That means beginning with 0, it goes to 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, and it goes on based on your enum items. Also, you can assign custom values to the enumerators. It is not mandatory to begin with 0. Now let us see an example to create an enum in C. So this will give you a brief overview of how to create an enum, how to assign values to it, and all other details. Let us see. Here is our VS Code. We created Amit project folder for all our C files. Right click and click new file. I'll give it a name demo42.c. Add a comment. Enum in C. Okay. Add the header file. Then let us create an enum using the enum keyword. Add the enum name. I have added directions. And I'll just add the enum items north, south, east, west. I'll close it with a semicolon. Now let us add int main, that is the main function, and within that I'll create enum variables. I told you how to create. Similarly, type the keyword enum, then your enum name. After that, we will create two variables d1 and d2. Okay. Assign the value. d1 is equal to north, it is showing, and print the value of d1. I'm setting it to %d because it will display a constant. By default it's 0, so it will assign 0 to the first variable. Okay, now for the second variable, I'll copy and paste. D2 is equal to, let's say I'll set south. So I'm assigning a value to the enum variable D2. That's it. I'll return and let us display, file, save, right click, run. So you can see it is showing 0 and 1. I told you that by default it begins with 0, then it increments. So in this case it incremented to 1. If we'll print D3, it will go for 2. For D4 it will go for 3. In this way it will increment based on your enum items. So guys, we saw what is an enum in C language. We understood the concept. With that, we also saw an example to create an enum. We also created enum variables and values were also assigned to the enum variables. Thank you for watching the video.